Alright, hello everyone, it's Team Rocket Draws here with another Pokemon card opening, and for this video guys, we're gonna be opening the Spikemuth Gym Pin Collection box. I'm pretty excited guys. I've opened a total of around 4 of these gym collection boxes. There's a link in the description to all the ones that I've opened so far, yeah, so we're also gonna be opening these two right here, to Darkness Ablaze. Hopefully we get something good, and the reason I like opening these is just for the actual like the gym pin that we get. It's actually really cool. Here's the back just in case you guys want to read it, so that's actually really cool. We do get 3 of these Champions Pack booster packs, and we also get the promo card guys, which I'm more excited about. We got an Obstagoon. This is actually a really cool art for Obstagoon. We are gonna sleeve it up really quick. There we go. There we go. Put that aside next to Bulbasaur over here, and then we also got the gym pin right here. It's actually really cool as well. Set that aside and let me get the 3 packs out. We also got the code card right here. Hopefully you guys get something good, and yeah, let's get started guys. So I'm gonna open the 2 Darkness Ablaze first. Hopefully we get something good. We pulled that Charizard. It's still a card that I haven't pulled, so hopefully we get some good luck in this pack and pull it. There we go. And I just want to apologize if I sound a little weird guys. I haven't been feeling good, so if you guys hear any coughing or you guys see any cuts in the video, it's just, yeah, I'm not feeling that great guys. So here's we're gonna start off with the fighting energy. We got a Soul Rock, we got a Steenie, Old PC, we got a Dino, Jigglypuff, Dunsparce, Clink, Marini. Our reverse is gonna be a Rockety, and it seems like we got an ultra rare in the back guys. Hopefully it's that Charizard. We ended up pulling, what is it, it is an ultra rare. Bam, we ended up getting a Pokemon Breeders Nurturing Trainer full art, which I don't have. At least I don't think I do. That's actually really cool. Choose up to 2 of your Pokemon. Let me see if I could get that in the middle of the screen for you guys. Choose up to 2 of your Pokemon in play. For each of those Pokemon, search your deck for a card that evolves from that Pokemon and put it into that Pokemon to evolve. Then shuffle your deck. You can't use this card during your first turn or on a Pokemon that was put into play this turn. Okay. 188 out of 189. That's actually really cool. Leave it up really quick for sure. Centering wise, it seems decent, although it seems it's like left to right like always. These cards, man, they yeah, they're not that good in centering, so they're gonna be really hard to grade and whatnot. Set that aside. We're gonna hide Bulbasaur back there. So at least we pulled a card that I don't believe I have. And like I mentioned in one of the other videos, I did start putting on my ultra rares since I started collecting in a binder, and I'll be showing you guys all the ones that I have so far. Here's the code card right there, and 1 2 3 4. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys are interested in that, and yeah, we'll do that pretty soon. We're gonna start off with the fire energy, and then I'm also gonna do like another binder with all my holos, and then as well as my older cards from back then. Our reverse is gonna be a Doug Trio, which is an uncommon, and for our last pack of the pack guys and a rare, it's gonna be a regular rare Staraptor. So fortunately we didn't get anything good in this pack other than that Staraptor. Is actually really cool. Now for our first Champions pack, I believe all of the code cards are gonna be white, so it doesn't matter. And oh, it seems like we got an ultra rare guys. I kind of see something shiny back there. 1 2 3 4, I believe. Champions path. Ooh, it seems like we got an ultra rare. I can see some shiny in the back. Hopefully it's one that we don't have so far. A bead. We got a light part, Carvana, Roly-Coly, Machop, Bullpix, Potion, or reverse is going to be another Carvana. I think it's really common to get these reverse hollow Carvanas. It is a common, so it kind of makes sense. And for our rare guys, gonna be, what is it? It seems like we ended up getting a V. Oh, a Venusaur V. Nice. I don't have a Venusaur yet, so I'll take it for sure. And it seems like centering is pretty decent. It seems like it's bottom to top. The sides are fairly even, so it's probably one of the better centering cards that I get from this set. So nice, guys. I finally ended up pulling the Venusaur. This is one that I wanted. If you guys weren't aware, Venusaur is my second favorite Pokemon. Yeah, so actually I wanted to pull this card. So far we actually been looking this video, guys. We ended up pulling that Venusaur V, and as well as the full art trainer. So hopefully our luck continues and it doesn't end there. We still got this pack and another one left. The code card is white, but it doesn't matter, guys, because all of them are white in Champion's Path. Alright, so we're gonna start off with a fighting energy. We got a Beedrill. It's actually a really cool Beedrill now that I look at it. We got a Weedle. We got this NK, Hatina, Trevish. Our reverse is gonna be a Hatina. And for our rare, it's gonna be a Hollow Machamp, which I'm not gonna sleeve up just because we get a hollow in every pack, guys, unless we get an ultra rare. Then yeah, so let me actually fix the cards really quick. Don't forget to pick your favorite art of the video, guys, and then let me know in the comment section below why it was your favorite. Now for the last pack. Alright, if I could open it right, there we go. And it seems like we ended up getting another Trevish. What are you trying to say, Trevish? Hopefully we get an ultra rare here, guys. Not trying to look at the cards. Here's the code card. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, Charizard. We're gonna start off with a, ooh, it seems like we got an ultra rare as well. Hyper Potion. We got a Victini giving us the peace sign. I got a tutorial on how to draw Victini if you guys are interested. We got a Nickit, Machop, Purloin, Scraggy. Ooh, and we ended up getting a reverse hollow energy, which is actually really cool. I really like these. And for our rare, guys, and final card of the video, it seems like it's a V. And I'm actually excited, guys, what it is. It is a V. We ended up pulling, bam, we ended up pulling another Incineroar V. Not bad, guys. So unfortunately I do have this card already like 3 times. I think this is the 3rd one I pulled so far, but I'll take it, guys. I don't mind getting these cards repetitive. They serve to trade later on and whatnot. And yeah, so it's 8 out of 73. And centering is actually one of the better center. No, it's really bad now that I look at it. Never mind, I take that back completely. It's bottom to top, and then it's right to left, so it's way off. Probably one of the worst ones that I've had so far. And I'm also gonna actually sleeve up the leaf energy this up really quick, and let's go over our pulls, guys, and see what good pulls we ended up getting before we go into my favorite art of the video, if I could do it. All right, guys, so we're gonna start off with the Obstagoon promo card that we ended up getting in the Pin Collection box. I really like this one. I think the Obstagoon art is actually really cool. It's really fitting for this Pokemon, because not all of the Obstagoon cards are like, I don't know, I don't like all of them. Then we ended up getting obviously our Hollow Machamp from one of the packs that it's kind of easy to pull. We ended up getting our 3rd Incineroar V full art, or just V, I guess, not a full art. We ended up getting a Venusaur V, which I didn't have, which I'm really excited about. We ended up getting a reverse hollow energy, which is a leaf. And then for our final pull, we ended up getting a Pokemon Breeders Nurturing Trainer, which is going to be my favorite art of the video, guys. Let me know in the comment section which one was yours and why. Mine is going to be this one. It's just a really cool card overall. Playing wise, I don't know about that, but just the actual card in general, because you have 2 Pokemon trainers right here, and then you got their Pokemon right there. So, oh, and it seems like there's a Wooloo down here. I just noticed that. I didn't see it before. It's really hard to kind of see that Pokemon down there. But that's actually because we got the Yamper over here. It's the thing that stands out the most, which is actually really cool. The background as well just helps, like the blues. It kind of goes well with the yellow and Yamper, as well as the browns, brown tones on the actual trainers. So overall, guys, this is going to be my favorite art of the video. Let me know in the comment section below which one was yours. And yeah, I think that's going to be it for this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. And I guess I'll just catch you guys on the next one. Team Rocket Draws out.